Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. Students, today we are quickly going to see the 10 days strategy which you have to follow to score very high marks in chemistry in your NEET 2025 examination. So these are the things that you have to follow to score a very good marks. So first is resources, that is the materials what you are using for NEET preparation. So the material what you are using till now, so use the same material. So don't change the material, don't take from your friends or don't download from the online. Don't refer new resource at this point of time, because if you are referring new sources at this time, it only leads to lot of confusion. So don't refer new resources. So the modules what you are using, so it can be the modules which is given in your tuition center, or the modules what you are following, follow the same thing. So don't take new resource at this point of time for revision purpose or for preparing NEET examination. So this is the first point you have to remember. Second is revision. So do as many times as possible revision at this moment. So here, if possible, go through the NCERT textbook at least maximum number of times. So inorganic and organic completely it will be given from the NCERT textbook. So keep revising your NCERT textbook again and again whenever you're getting time. And physical chemistry, usually numericals, you will have to focus a lot. So if you are very good in your concept, then numericals you can solve very easily. So in text question, example sums, go through it, and wherever you are going wrong, so wherever if you are making formula wrong, or if any step you are making it wrong, so write in one sheet of paper. So that sheet of paper you have to keep till your NEET examination gets over, and continuously you have to keep revising that wherever you are going wrong. Next is PYQs. So go through all the PYQs, at least 10-year PYQs you have to go through, and again wherever you are making it mistake, make a note of that. And then if you are giving test series, so if you have already given your test series, review it once, see where you are going wrong, so in which question you are making it wrong. So those questions again revise from the textbook, open your NCERT textbook and see where you are making it wrong. So even that you have to make a note of it. And then last is you have to make important points. Suppose for first lesson or first chapter, if you have made 10-page notes, at this point of time what you have to do is you have to revise and revise, so that only few points, few important points what you are feeling it difficult, so that you have to write in one sheet of paper. So one chapter you should be able to condense to one sheet of paper. So like that each chapter condensed to one sheet of paper, because this will be helpful in last day of revision. So last day of revision you will not have much time to revise the entire textbook or your entire module or your notes. So what you have to do is each chapter you have to condense to one sheet of paper, so that last day, so this is the sheet of paper which will be using for your revision, so that you can revise a several number of times and prepare well for your examination. So these are the points which you have to keep in mind. And one more important point is, at this moment don't start any new chapters. Suppose if you did not understand one particular chapter, if you start reading that particular chapter, you will be wasting a lot of time. So instead of wasting time in one particular chapter, revise the chapters which you have already done. So revise several number of times, go through the PYQs, and lastly you have to condense all your content to one sheet of paper for one particular chapter, so that only few sheets will be there for revision. So on the last day, at least 5 times you can revise that sheet of paper, so that you will become very confident in attending your NEET examination. So follow this strategy, for definitely you will be scoring very good marks in your NEET examination, and I wish you get your dream college this year. So all the very best students. I'll meet you in the next video.